who wishes to become a fluent speaker must first of all be capable of making a speech semicolon, but it is a somewhat sad fact that some people are naturally incapable of expressing their thoughts verbally full stop. It is no abuse of language, comma, however, comma, to state that even nature may be overcome, comma, and the taciturn person may acquire such fluency as to surprise his friends by his eloquence full stop. It is only necessary to recall the character of Demosthenes, comma, and how he developed the characteristics of a great orator to prove that this is so full stop. It is especially essential that familiarization with details of the subject be acquired beforehand, comma, otherwise a mortgage is placed on the chances of success by an insufficiency of facts, comma, when a sufficiency would probably mean unqualified successful stop. With the precision of a mathematician, he should marshal his facts, comma, familiarize himself with apt illustrations to establish them, comma, and keep in view the immediate purpose of his speech full stop. Then there are certain gestures which can be suited to circumstances with mathematical accuracy, comma, but these should be as far removed as possible from merely mechanical action, comma, if the maximum results are to be attained full stop. Some fail to govern themselves in this matter, comma, and thus extinguish the possibility of being effective full stop. Further, comma, a homely and familiar style should be cultivated and adopted as occasion requires full stop. The efficient cultivation of the voice should receive a special attention full stop. Unfortunately, it is too often ignored or treated with but insufficient consideration by those who do not recognize its expediency full stop.